Hey, what's up, guys? We got a Q60. They busted the sunroof and they went in and stole a bunch of stuff. But anyway, we ended up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system, so that doesn't happen anymore. What happens is with these cars, the only way it works is somebody opens the door and that's the way it triggers. But by adding the factory shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm, that will stop that nonsense. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the sunroof. You're going to see that the factory alarm is going to fire off. Okay, I'm going to rearm it. This works from bumper to bumper. Any tires that they kick to bust out the lug nut locks, or any window that they bang, or anywhere in the car that it receives an impact is going to set off the factory alarm. Okay, we do have the DIY kits. So anybody out of state that want to upgrade their factory alarm, feel free to give us a call, and we can ship you the kit. It comes with the installation video. We never had anybody who wasn't able to complete it. And this, what you're doing is upgrading the factory alarm without having to carry an extra fob around in your keychain. Give and take, when you arm the factory alarm, you got to wait about 40 seconds. You're going to notice a little picture of a car with a little lock inside, right by the dash. It's going to be solid, and once it starts flashing and then it's ready for you, I'm going to go ahead and bang on this side, and it's going to trip the factory alarm as well. Okay. Factory remote start still works. It doesn't interfere. I just turned it off. Sometimes we get email, does that interfere with the remote start? And it doesn't. And it doesn't interfere with anything in the car. The only thing it's going to do is upgrade your factory alarm, like if it was an aftermarket alarm. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814. Hopefully, if you see this video, is because you're trying to prevent something, or you're watching this video because somebody already stole the vehicle, or they went in and took a bunch of stuff. Again, our numbers is 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.